Hello, everyone. Welcome to WealthyWays, your hub for motivation, personal growth, and financial empowerment. Today, we're diving into 5 practical ways to earn $1,000 online per month, with a special nod to how artificial intelligence can be your ally in this journey. In this digital age, the opportunities are vast, and we're here to help you navigate through them, including leveraging the power of AI to maximize your earnings. Now, it's essential to mention that hitting that $1,000 mark isn't an immediate feat. The first month or so will likely be more about laying the groundwork, learning, and growing. It's about building a foundation that will set the stage for consistent earnings down the road. So, patience and perseverance will be your best friends on this exciting journey. Now, with that being said, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Kicking off our list is the dynamic world of freelancing, a realm where your skills and expertise are your most valuable assets. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr bridge the gap between freelancers and clients in need, covering a wide range of services from writing to graphic designing. Creating a compelling profile is the first step, acting as your digital resume. Browsing through job postings and bidding on projects that resonate with your skills follows, although landing the first gig may take some patience due to the competitive nature of the platform. However, with each completed project, you not only earn money but also garner valuable reviews and ratings, enhancing your profile's visibility and credibility. Over time, building rapport with clients can lead to direct project invitations. The key to freelancing success lies in delivering quality work, meeting deadlines, and maintaining clear communication with clients. And here's a pro tip. Today's freelancers can leverage AI tools like ChatGPT, Writesonic, and Opulus to augment their capabilities. These digital allies assist in tasks like content creation and editing, enhancing efficiency and quality of work, making the freelancing journey less arduous and more enjoyable. Embracing smart work alongside hard work can elevate your freelancing voyage to new horizons. Next on our roster is online tutoring. In a world where education is increasingly moving online, tutoring has found a significant space in the digital domain. If you have a strong grasp over a subject, be it academics like math or science, or skills like music or languages, online tutoring could be your ally. Platforms like Tutor.com or Chegg Tutors serve as platforms where you can connect with students in need. The process is fairly straightforward. You create a profile, choose the subjects you want to tutor in, and once approved, you can start taking sessions. The pay rate can vary based on the subject you teach and the platform you choose. As you gather positive reviews, your hourly rate can increase, and you may also start to build a loyal student base. The beauty of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You can choose your working hours, and since it's all online, you can work from anywhere. Additionally, leveraging AI tools can help in scheduling, managing student progress, and even in content delivery, making the teaching process more efficient and engaging. Venturing ahead, we stumble upon the realm of dropshipping. This e-commerce model is a solid avenue for those looking to dive into the retail business without the hurdles of inventory management. Essentially, you create an online store, list products from suppliers, and when a customer makes a purchase, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify can be used to set up your online store, while AliExpress or Oberlo can be your sources for products. The first step is market research to find a profitable niche and products that are in demand. Once your store is set up, the focus shifts to driving traffic to your store through online advertising, social media marketing, or search engine optimization. The profit comes from the difference between the price the customer pays on your store and the price you pay to the supplier. AI can significantly aid in analyzing consumer behavior, optimizing prices, and automating customer service, thus enhancing your store's overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. Sailing further, we reach the shores of affiliate marketing. This model revolves around promoting products for other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. The starting point is joining affiliate programs of companies or platforms like Amazon Associates. Once enrolled, you can start promoting products through various channels like a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media platforms. The essence of affiliate marketing is creating valuable and engaging content that naturally incorporates the products you are promoting. It's not just about pushing products but providing value, be it through reviews, tutorials, or informative content related to the products, Building a genuine and engaged audience is key here. As your audience grows and trusts your recommendations, the potential for earning commissions increases. AI can assist in data analysis to understand audience preferences, automate routine tasks, and even help in optimizing your content for SEO, all of which can contribute to a more successful affiliate marketing venture. And finally, we delve into the captivating venture of running a YouTube channel. With a passion or a unique perspective on certain topics, sharing on YouTube can foster a community and generate income as you gain traction. The adventure begins by selecting a niche you're passionate about, crafting a channel, and initiating with a few videos. Even if you prefer to stay behind the scenes, creating compelling videos without showing your face is entirely feasible, and many successful YouTubers do just that. AI notably augments script writing with platforms like Jasper Docs or WriteSonic assisting in drafting and refining scripts. For those not comfortable with their voice, AI offers realistic voiceovers through tools like Descript's Overdub or iSpeech. As your channel blossoms, monetization through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise can usher in significant income, potentially hitting or surpassing the $1,000 per month milestone. Engaging with your audience and maintaining a consistent upload schedule are pivotal to nurturing your channel. AI isn't merely a tool, it's a companion that eases the journey, enabling you to concentrate on concocting content and cultivating a community. So whether in front of the camera or behind it, your narrative is awaiting its platform. As we wrap up, it's evident that the digital landscape is brimming with opportunities for those willing to delve in and explore. Each of these 5 options brings its own set of challenges and rewards. And let's not forget, with the aid of AI tools, optimizing your online ventures has never been easier. With some dedication, creativity, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, making $1,000 online in a month is within the realm of possibility. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons if you found value in this video, and stay tuned for more insights, including how AI can further bolster your online earning journey in our next episode. Here's to your online earning journey with a little help from the digital brains. Keep it up on your wealthy way.